Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, or the first video on the Alpha Meteorologists. Today we are going to be tracking there's lots of squall lines out in the USA, severe storms, but right now we are going to be personally tracking one of them, that is in Oklahoma. You can see, let me pull up this radar here. You can see at about 10:29 p.m. or 10:27 p.m. Eastern Time, it was developed, but it wasn't really developed. It definitely strengthened out a bit. Tulsa Metro actually, but getting some heavy rain right now. Sapulpa getting some red right now. Ponca City, getting some heavy rain. This squall line stretches from Fort Smith all the way out to about Woodward. I believe it's still in Oklahoma. It is. It's mostly this area that's mostly affected. It is, I believe, moving. Let me just draw it here so you can all see it. Just make sure. Okay, so you can see that there is an easterly move on the western storms that are hitting Ponca City right now. I may not have said that right. I'm sorry, but the storms in about Tulsa are moving a bit south actually. I'll show you guys a bit more. So we get southern movement on these storms, maybe some easterly movement, but most of these are actually going like eastward. Maybe some southerly movement, but most of them are actually going eastward. We trashed all those drawings. We do have some severe thunderstorm warnings out. One in Fort Smith. There's a very heavy there's a very heavy storm on like Fort Smith, which is right actually on the border of like Oklahoma and Louisiana. Muldrow, Roland, Fort Smith, take shelter now. Tulsa also be careful. So actually before we go into the warnings, let's check all the reflectivity on these storms. So Ekanath, see how high it is. You can see that it is very high, very, very high in the center of the squall lines right now. Fort Smith, you can see is very high. Tulsa Metro, very high. Let's just go back to our radar over here. You can see we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings out actually. This one expires in 13 minutes to 11:45 p.m. Eastern Time. It was for the counties of Northeastern Woods and Alfalfa. Oh, Alpha Gaming. That's my other channel. That's not. East. You can see east at 35 miles an hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail on this storm. But if we go to Fort Smith storm, a bit of a stronger one. You can see we have two of them. They both expire in 30 minutes, but southeast at 55 miles an hour. Expect damage to roof, siding, windows. People and animals outdoor will be injured. Expect hail. Source radar indicated. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, ping pong size hail. Like I said, please take shelter now. If you are any of these areas: Tulsa, Fort Smith, Muskogee, Ponca City, Stillwater, Watonga, and basically anywhere in north, central, east Oklahoma, please take shelter now if you are in any of these areas. Oklahoma City, they are about to get precipitation, I believe. They have actually been getting some lighter rain for the last couple hours, so you can see there was some green on the radar, green and blue, but these squall lines seem to be moving bit southeast route right into Oklahoma City. More also, these storms, I don't think they are there's no tornado watches or warnings. So I don't believe that they will become tornado warned. But these are some heavy storms, so please take shelter now. We can actually check the velocity. You can see that there's some red, green. I don't think there is any rotation. There could be some, but I don't believe any. We can check that storm. Maybe a bit over here. I don't think so, though. I don't really know about this one that much, so don't judge if I get everything wrong here. But we're gonna go back to here. Wrong one, no, the cone, reflectivity, okay. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this weather video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this most of scary sort of thing. Not scary, but severe thing. So please take shelter if you're in any of these areas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.